Hey everyone, it's me, I'm back. I just thought I'd explain a little bit about this next clip that I'm going to upload. I got so into the groove, I actually didn't do much talking on the footage. I really just wanted to get it done. I had this brainwave, and you know what it's like, you just get this idea, you want to put it together. I got all the scrap bits of metal to this telescopic thing that was going to lift the bed off my truck, and as you will see from the footage, it actually didn't go too badly. My shed's really small and extremely cluttered. I've got so much stuff in here, and it would take me a day just to tidy it up, and it would just turn into a mess again anyway. So the camera angles are a bit awkward, but hopefully this will be of benefit to someone. And the idea is to make something that can actually be sturdy enough, cheap, that can lift a 5 meter by 2.4 meter truck bed, which, you know me, I like exaggerating a little bit, but I think it's got to be at least 250 kilos, probably more. I know a friend of mine who built one the same size, and the order list of his material was well over, I think he said 400 kilos, and that's without it being built. That was just the raw material. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. I hope it inspires other people to do it. You don't need a forklift, you don't need a gantry, you can do this. Oh, and by the way, I built 2 trestle tables out of a series of scrap bits of SHS, so square hollow section, to support the bed once it was lifted off the truck. That's the theory. Here's the build. Hopefully it'll work. To try and make some sort of lifting mechanism for my truck bed, and I've managed to score some scrap bits of metal like this, and what I'm trying to do is make it telescopic to try and get them to go through the 2 pieces. Here's the big bit, and these bits should slide into that bit, and like this one. So with this, you can see there's too much of a gap. I think it might get jammed, so I might have to put some sort of infill in there. Whereas this one, it's a much better fit. It's much thicker. That's what happens when you get loads of scrap. Well, that's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was obviously sped up to save everyone from getting bored to death with intermittent moving around, finding things, tools, bits and pieces, you know, the usual stuff. If you're into fabrication, you realize that's a lot of what happens. That series of clips was done over probably at least a week. The shed can get quite hot at times in here, especially when you're doing that amount of welding. If you liked what you saw, or you think someone else might like that you've just seen, please share it and give me the thumbs up. If you have any comments, I'd appreciate some positive ones, but if you've got some negative ones, as it all helps towards my channel's growth. Anyway, next time I see you, cross fingers, hopefully it will lift the bed and we won't have any disasters. Omar out.